Hello and welcome to this unique course on Bun, which is a new JavaScript runtime built from scratch to serve the modern JavaScript ecosystem. We are extremely delighted to be among the first to present this progressive course on Bun. As these are the initial days of Bun, we will be constantly watching the updates and delivering them to you with practical examples. Now, the main question is, why do we need Bun when we already have technologies like Node and Deno? Well, to answer this, Bun promises tons of features and a complete ecosystem at the same place. It may not appear as an immediate need, but the kind of features and performance it offers, it will become a necessity for every developer to know and learn its concepts in the coming days. And this is the right time to start learning, as you will also grow simultaneously with the growth of Bun, and it will certainly put you on top of the list as compared to other server-side developers. As a full-stack developer, you work with templating engines, API development, sockets, testing, bundling, and much more using different libraries, packages, and tools. However, Bun offers all these things with the native support. And to perform all these tasks, Bun takes very less time as compared to the existing technologies. By enrolling in this course, you will learn fundamentals of Bun and the server-side technologies, buffers and file handling, Express.js with Bun, Alicia, SQLite, Wit, testing with the Bun, socket implementation inside Bun, package management and bundling, and much more. Whether you are a fresher or an experienced developer, learning Bun will give you an advantage over others in this fast-paced, full-stack development industry. So enroll now and become one of the pioneers of Bun development for future.